Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome to another episode of JVLOGS. As you can see, it's almost Christmas, 5 days away from Christmas, and I'm here in Walmart. Look at this beautiful tree. You see? Man. So today, oh yeah, I'm over 250 subscribers. I'm at 251. Thanks a lot. Thanks very much to the new subscriber that tune in, and thanks for letting me reach my goal of 250 before the year end. If I can get to 300, I would be really happy reaching 300 before the year end. But yeah, let's get into it. So today I wanted to talk about men and the role that they need to play in relationships, and just scratch the surface a little bit where that is concerned. So as you know, whenever we're in a relationship with our partners, we tend to try to make the best of us. We want to get stuff, we want to be the best we can be. And a lot of men in the relationship forget that it's not all about you and what you want sometimes, but it's what you need to do as a man in a relationship. As a man in a relationship, you're a role model. You need to play a role where you're the leader in the relationship, where you lead the relationship, where you're the foundation, pretty much. And as a man, you have to take up certain responsibilities, and one of those responsibilities are to ensure that you're with a strong female, whether she is emotionally imbalanced or she has certain issues. You, as the man in the relationship, have to work on her. You have to ensure that she's strong. You have to ensure that you're building up her self-esteem on a daily basis if she has a problem where that is concerned. You have to ensure that you're working on her continuously. And why I say this, it's because a lot of us are in a relationship for years and we don't even know our partner that much. It's like 50%. We know them only to that extent. So you have to ensure that you invest the time and energy in building that person. You also learn how to deal with people in these situations. Just in case you have to break up or leave the relationship, at least you know that you have left a mark, you have made an impact on her, you have built her to the point where she can now stand on her own 2 feet. And that is very important whenever you're dealing with people or dealing with your partner. A lot of females, they don't have this kind of support or the man figure in their life, so they look up to you and they want to be encouraged, they want to be strong, they want to be confident in themselves. And we as men need to ensure that we are there for them. We need to ensure that we are supporting them emotionally, financially, whatever it may be. We have to ensure that we're doing that. And you have to look into yourself as a man and ensure that you're doing that. Ensure that you're doing that to ensure that she's strong at the end of the day. Because a lot of females, when they leave the relationship, they're weak, they're broken down, they don't know how to cope on their own. And I think we have to take some of the blame for that, because we didn't ensure that they're strong and be able to stand on their feet. God forbid that we die, you're married and the husband die. How is she going to stand on her own 2 feet? She's going to learn that all over again. So men, it's your responsibility, so our responsibility to ensure that we have strong females, ensure that we instill certain values in females and make them proud, fuel them with respect. So at the end of the day, they can respect themselves and be proud and strong women, in our society. So we have to take up that responsibility and ensure that we, are there for them and strong. This is where I'm going to end, because there's lots of people in Walmart. People just walking around. This is, that's the Christmas trees, the backdrops, as you can see, it's sabi it up a little bit. So that's kind of the backdrop right there. But yeah, a lot of people just walking around shopping in Walmart, and I'm just here making a video, with a nice backdrop. But yeah, well, as you can see, I have the confidence now to make videos in front of people. So that is very good. So if you guys love this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments below, leave a feedback below. Tell me if you have, instilled certain value in your partner, that's a female partner in the relationship, if you have made her better than where you guys, picked up or started from. Let me know in the comments below. And thanks again for watching JVLOGS. I hope this message is encouraging and encourage you to be a better boyfriend, a better father, a better husband, just a better man in a relationship, and you know, stand where you need to be, you know, put down your foot where men is concerned and playing a role in females' lives. So thanks for watching JVLOGS, guys. I'm out. Enjoy the Christmas holiday.
Don't play with her, don't be this.